right, Donald Miller here, Donald Miller's Electric Services. So, we're in beautiful West Philadelphia. And I gotta say, West Philadelphia, it's 2021 and it's a different world down here. It is literally amazing to see the city turn around this way. Just the homes, like we're up in the 40s, all the way up into the 50s on street numbers. And some of these old homes are just starting to become renovated again, and they're getting brought back to their original glory. And I'm on the front porch here, and I'm going to show you, look at that stained glass window. So these homes, they've all gone through some rough decades, and that's kind of where we're at right now. So we're rewiring this home, but some of the woodwork's original, just amazing. Here's that front window again. So we're rewiring this house. There's knob and tube throughout the whole thing. All right. They opted for no floor protection because they're gonna redo the floors. So again, you don't need floor protection in a knob and tube rewire if you're gonna resand the hardwood floors. But if you don't resand your hardwood floors, you're prone to lead exposure. And yes, there's lead in all the paint in every room. So for our liability as well as your safety, you want floor protection that's like ram board. And this is ram board. All right, let me turn around here for a second. So that's ram board. All right, and it's rolled cardboard. It can bead water up for about 24 hours. So I can spill a gallon of water on this stuff and it'll bead it up. And the next day you have to replace it, or the moisture itself will seep through, but the water actually won't soak through. So this is a 2,700 square foot rewire. There's 3 floors. Again, these homes are big. So it's gonna take about 2 to 3 weeks. All right. And there is some damage to this home, and I'm not a fan of it, but they put drywall in the ceilings here to cover up the damage, but the ceiling is significantly damaged. And I'm gonna see if you can see that. I can't make it zoom on this video. I can't make it zoom on the video. But I'll do another walkthrough. This is day 3, so we're nowhere near ready to do a decent video yet. But God bless West Philly. Love it.